Designing a custom home starts long before construction. It begins with the ability to see something that does not yet exist and to understand how it will feel to live in. One of the most important parts of designing a custom home is being able to clearly visualize it before it is built. From layout and proportions to materials and natural light, every decision relies on understanding what the finished home will become. At AV Architects and Builders, we guide the design-build process from concept through construction, which gives us direct experience with how visualization tools help homeowners make confident decisions before building begins. The clearer the vision, the smoother the process, and the stronger the final result. Why visualization matters. A custom home is built based on decisions made long before construction starts. If those decisions are made without clarity, it becomes harder to align expectations with the final outcome. Visualization helps bridge that gap. It allows you to understand scale, flow, and how spaces connect, so choices feel informed rather than uncertain. From floor plans to spatial understanding. Floor plans are often the starting point of a new home. They show relationships between rooms and how the home is organized, but they do not always communicate how a space will truly feel. That is why moving beyond just two-dimensional drawings is an important part of the process. Understanding height, depth, and volume creates a more complete picture of the home, bringing the home to life. Three-dimensional tools help translate ideas into an experience. Through perspective views, digital models, and rendering walkthroughs, you begin to see how spaces open, how light enters, and how materials interact. Instead of imagining abstract concepts, you can experience the home visually before it exists, improving decisions and reducing changes. When a home is easier to visualize, decisions become clearer. You can confirm what works, adjust what does not, and refine details along the way. This reduces uncertainty and helps avoid changes later in the process. The result is a design that is more aligned before construction begins. Confidence moving into construction. Visualization creates confidence. When you understand the home in a detailed and realistic way, the transition into building feels more predictable. You're not relying on interpretation or guesswork. You're moving forward with a clear and shared vision. A custom home begins as an idea, but it needs to be understood before it can be built. When visualization is done well, design becomes more intentional, decisions become easier, and the final home feels aligned with what was imagined from the start. If you are thinking about designing a custom home and want a clearer way to visualize the process, we would be happy to explore that with you. You can reach us through our contact page. To learn more about designing a custom home and what to expect as you prepare to build, visit our Learning Center. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more from the Residential Architects. Bye!